Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by prepping gear and mounting the off-string. First, ensure the bearing spins freely. Dirt kills spin time. Once done, tie a loose slip knot so the yo-yo can leave your finger cleanly. Position the yo-yo on the string and practice a push throw to get comfortable with release timing. Make sure to use a slightly stiffer string for learning. It helps the yo-yo pop off predictably. Keep movements small and controlled because precision beats force at this stage. You now focus on controlled throws and safe catches. Throw forward with a crisp wrist snap to generate stable spin. Too soft and the yo-yo wobbles, too hard and it flies off course. Once the yo-yo is airborne, track its axle and visualize the return zone near your catching hand. As it comes back, pinch the string between two fingers to absorb impact rather than grabbing the body. This reduces jams. Make small adjustments to angle and power until the pattern becomes repeatable and smooth. You'll finish by learning vertical pops and handling common faults. To pop, compress the string toward the yo-yo, then release firmly so it rises vertically. This gives you setup for tricks. Once up, guide it back onto the string center and soften the catch with a slight wrist pivot to align angle. If you see wobble or poor response, stop and clean or replace the bearing, check string tension, and retie the knot. Make small corrections and repeat until you trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.